In the SMT line, a batch needs to go through multiple equipment processing. During this processing, it is important to establish monitoring and control between line equipment to ensure quality outcome. It is crucial to include early detection and triggering capabilities in the production in cases of violation. With this in mind, how can we ensure that each lot unit goes through strict monitoring to determine its validity? And is it also possible for equipment integration to initiate automatic escalation actions at times of violation? The answer would be process time monitoring or process anomaly monitoring based on machine-to-machine communications. They enable the collected data to influence actions for upstream or downstream equipment in the entire SMT line. For anomaly monitoring and control, each unit processed in the equipment will be analyzed and handled with 4 key steps. Detect the anomaly. Stop the selected process. Fix the immediate condition. Investigate the root cause and install countermeasure. Machine-to-machine communication enables equipment in the SMT line to detect anomalies and immediately puts the process on hold. Even without a smart equipment, you can enable self-monitoring between machines. This is achieved by combining information from different equipment. This intelligent machine-to-machine communication is done with master process monitoring, based on Jidoka automation concept. It gives engineers and operators real-time manufacturing results and enhances work efficiency by handling several machines at once. Discover the right SMT solution and get monitoring and control over your assembly line with the intelligent and effective machine-to-machine communication. Want to learn more? Let's get in touch. Visit camline.com. Work smarter, achieve more.